guys, let's do the another question. The question is saying like that, write a program to remove nth character from a non-empty string. So what it is saying, it is saying something like this. Suppose अगर आपके पास कोई string है, let's say I'm having the string as world, right? अगर user is saying you have to remove the third character from here, so the output here will be something like this. It will be WOLD, world, right? If the user is saying me you have to remove the second character from here, so my second character is O, so at that time the output I'll be getting is WRLD, right? So understand this thing now. Hope you understood the question. And it's in the non-empty string, means the empty string should not be empty. And here the questions that we'll be doing, that will be based on the user input. So whatever the user will be giving, according to that we'll be writing the program. So let's take an example. The example is like this. So I am saying that I am having a word that's hello, 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 right? Okay, if you check the index number, the index number of this is 0, index number of this is 1, similarly 2, 3 and 4, right? Let's say the user is saying you have to remove index number second. The second the character that is present at index second, yeah, you have to remove that, right? So who is my second? That is my first, that's my second. That means here, okay guys, I just want to put it like this. Let's say this is my indexing and this is my string here. So let's say here the user is saying I have to remove the second character. See what I'm saying, second character from this string. So second character, if you will see, this is my first character, right? If I write here, this is my first character, this is my second character, this is my third character, this is fourth, and this is fifth, right? So my second character is this E. So if I want to remove it, what is the index number of this E? That is 1. Getting this point? Index number of this E is 1. If the user is saying you have to remove the fourth character from the string, if you will see, the fourth character that we are having is this one L. That means the index number of this fourth character is 3. The index number of this fourth character is 3. So what I'll be doing is, that means we need this part and the last part of from this hello. So suppose if I am saying something like this, now how I can get everything till this fourth character, I can say something like this, A of colon till 4 minus 1, right? It will be somehow like this, it will be something like this, A of colon 3. That means everything till 3. That means 0 index will be taking, first index will be taking, second index taking, and we will not take this fourth character, right? So the output that it will be giving here is HEL, right? And then what we need after 3, whatever is there, we need everything after that. So what then, to get that thing, I can say here 4. Do I need to consider a third character? No. What here I will say 4 onwards. That means 4 onwards will be start from O, and onwards it will be O here. So the output that we should get here is HELO. Let's take another example here before doing the coding. Let's say I'm having something like this here. I will say comparison, right? If you will see the indexing, index number of this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? This is my indexing, everyone knows. Now the user is saying me you have to remove fifth character. Now which one is my fifth character? This is my first character, second character, third character, fourth character, fifth character. Fifth character is this A. Fifth character is this A. Everyone agrees that, right? So what I need here is, I need everything till here, I need everything before 4, right? Then I need everything after 4. Now the user will be giving me the 5 here. So what I need to do here is, I need to do something here like this, A of colon 5 minus 1, right? This will give you 0, 1, 2, 3, and this 4 we will be not including, which is our fifth character, correct? Then what I need rest of the things, that means this fifth se aage, we fifth including this fifth one, index fifth, that means I can say a of 5 onwards, right? And this part will give you something like this, C O M P, and this part will give you R I S O N. That means from here I have removed what, this A. Getting this point? So we are not using any kind of inbuilt function here, we are just using we are doing the normal hard coding, right? So what I'll be doing here is, obviously I'll be receiving the input from user, so I will say A. You can keep identifying anything, just for the simplicity I'm using here this A always. Input, enter. Okay, let's say I'm taking the word as well as the character that he wants to remove from the user. I will say enter the word, right? So whatever the word he'll be giving me, and let's say the nth, I'm saying nth equal to input, and here I will say enter the nth number slash character from the word, right? So these are the two things that I'll be having here. Now we know this nth character, it will be integer, right? So I will convert this into the integer. As we know, as I have discussed it many times, this thing, this input, the data type of this input is string, right? And if you want to convert that string into the integer, you have to do the typecasting, right? You have to do the typecasting, and then it will be my integer, right? So here I can say like this. Now what I have to do is, I have to, let's say I will say output here, store it in something, and here what we will be saying, a of kahan se, nth minus 1, right, plus a of nth se aage, right? And then I'll be printing this output what I have received here, right? Let's understand this code. So what we have wrote here, a of nth minus 1, a of nth. So something like this we have done. So first thing is a, I am taking it from the user, right? Second one is nth character, which character the user wants to remove. So then we have wrote something like this, a of colon nth minus 1 plus a of nth se aage, right? So suppose, let's take an example, the word the user is going is WHICH, which, right? And the user wants here to remove the third character, right? He wants to remove the third character. So what I'll be doing here is, now according to this formula, what will you be saying here, a of nth, what's my nth, 3, that means 3 minus 1 is 2, that means a of colon 2 plus a of, what's my nth is 3, that means 3 colon, right? So what will be the output here? Let's do the indexing here, that means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So a till 2, that means a till 2, and 2 will be not including, it will give, this will give me WH, and a of 3 onwards including 3, this will give me CH, and the output that you will be getting here is WHCH, right? So if you will see here, the third character that I am having is, that is this one. Why? Because this is first character, this is second character, and this is my third character. This third character we have to remove from here, and the output you'll be getting is something like this, right? So let's check it. So let me run this program. Let's say I am saying here Python. I'll be saying here Python, Python, and then it's saying me which character you want to remove, right? So I will say I want to remove the fourth character. Now if I run it, it is Python, right? So Python is having how much? So H has been removed from here. H has been removed from here. If you will say Python, what is Python? This is Python. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. This H we want to remove from here, and rest of the things we want the same thing. That's Python, right? We can give any other word here, right? Let's say I'm giving here port, P-O-R-T-S, ports. And here let's say I'm saying that you want to remove second character, so obviously it will give me P-R-T-S, right? Now if I'll do something like this again, if I'll be running it, let's say I'm giving again port, P-O-R-T-S, ports, and here I want to remove sixth character, right? And here is my sixth character present? No, right? So why? Because here it's not able to find the sixth character, so it will be giving the all things that are present here till that last location. Getting this point? Got it? Fine. Or you, if you want to control it, you can control it like this. So suppose if user is giving me the nth character, I can say here something like this: if nth is greater than I will say if nth is less than less or equal to, actually we have to say less or equal to length of what? Yes, length of a, right? If this is the condition, so at that time we'll be removing it. Otherwise we will be say something else, else we will say here, else we will be saying this thing, else k print index is out of range, right? So let's take an example now. Again I'll be running it. Let me clear the screen. Okay, so now if I'll be executing it, let's say I'm saying enter the word, I will say enter here. Now in this enter, how many characters are there? 1 2 3 4 and 5, right? So let's say I want to remove the seventh character. Is the seventh character present here? No, it's not present, right? No, I will say here 7. So at the time what it's saying, index is out of range. So what is happening here? So when I am giving this input as enter, when I am giving this input as enter, okay, this enter is being saved in a, then I am saying remove the seventh character, seventh will be present in this nth. Then it is saying that if nth is less than length of a, less or equal to length of a, that means here 7 is 7 less than 5, because the size is 5. Is 7 less than 5? Condition true or false? False. If it false, will we go inside? If no, where will we go? We'll be going to the else part, and in the else part we are seeing the index is out of range. There is no seventh character present here. What if I want to remove this r, right? What if I want to remove this r? Again I will be entering here. Let's say I will say enter. Okay, the r is fifth character, I will say 5. So at that time, so ente is the case that you are having here. That's why I have kept here equal to condition as well, right? Getting this point? I hope you understood this program as well. So thank you. We'll meet you in the next video.